Well, welcome back to Taylor's Aboard a Campervan, and today we got a little video for you, quite short but quite sweet. We're gonna build this little countertop for our kitchen. Now for this we got about 1.5 foot length of timber board, and it's about inch thick and about 4 foot long, which is almost perfect really. Almost perfect dimensions. We don't have to cut it whatsoever. There will be a little bit of gap at the back, but that will be filled up with some trim and some tiles, and at the side, which will be up at a little bit of stud work there to fill that gap, and that will make a little ledge as well because it's thicker. And the reason I went with, inch thick countertop and not like 2-inch, like a regular countertop, is because it would be too heavy, one thing, and it would be a lot more expensive. Now, Wix did do them, but like I say, a lot more expensive and a lot heavier. And this is, strong enough. It would do perfect for a van, And why didn't we choose granite? Granite's way too heavy, way too expensive. And why didn't we choose false granite? Because if you make any cuts in it, then you're going to see the inside of it, and you don't want to see that. And we just wanted a nice piece of wood, but why didn't you get like solid oak or little blocks of wood like the boat? That is really heavy and really expensive, and the length that you get is way too much what we need. And with this, it's the absolutely perfect size. We don't need to cut it whatsoever, so it's absolutely brilliant. We can just spit it straight in. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with it. So our countertop is going to be 40 centimetres wide, so that's 40 centimetres. We need to put 2 more posts, one here and one there. So we need another 29 inches. That's 29. That one's 29. 29-inch one there, and 29-inch one there. There's 2 more 29 inches. I know you can. Why do you think I had to rush everything?
Don't rush, just take your time. We've got weeks to do this, so I'm not rushing anymore.
We have our 4 supports here for the countertop here. There'll be some more here. I'll do that later. But these need to go in first before we do that platform. Hey guys, should we finish with countertop while we're waiting for Dad? I think we should. Just got to put one more post here, and then I don't think I'm going to put both in the middle. I'm going to put a bit of wood against the wall there, so it's got a rear support in the middle there as well, screwed to the wall. So all I need to do is make one more of these posts, and we're good to install this then. Right, so that's a post. I'm just holding it there in a moment, it's not screwed in, just so I can show you. I know there's supposed to be like a ledge where this overhangs. As you can see, there isn't at the moment. I'm just going to pull this out a couple of inches. It's going to go trim at the back anyway, so that's not to worry about. Just holding that there so I can see what length of wood I need to cut at the bottom here, So I think I got the position of this perfect now. So I pushed it out a bit, as you can see, because obviously we have to think about our walls, So that's the perfect, the post is the perfect distance away from the edge. Yeah. Right, so I need to screw this bit of wood in here, see.
I have to do that from the bathroom wall, but look. It's our longest screw. And it's not long enough. I'm going to have to countersink it. Right, so I've got these L brackets here that we're going to mount the countertop with, because obviously it won't screw into it. Centimeters, just over 2 centimeters. Can't get them to work. No. Okay. Damn it! Fucking hell! The fire out there. I'm still installing that, but while it's removed I thought this would be a good opportunity to get under here and screw this up, because it's very awkward. I knew this was going to be awkward. Sorting. That's our worktop installed. Very strong. So it doesn't have to be the thickness of a regular countertop. It's still strong enough, especially just for a van. You know, you've got to think about weight. And it's very sturdy and strong. Happy with that. Put some tiles along there now, are you? Look at that tile, sticks out from that one. It's just the way that they are. Wedges in there nice, that does.
Yeah, wedges in there. Well, I don't know, you can't put it down in the other L, can you?
It's silicone. That's
oh yeah.
what we've been doing.
Put it on
Another nice bit of trim in there, covering up the top of the tiles.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was it. That was us putting in our countertop for our van. Hope you all enjoyed and hope you like it. timber board. You know, it's not the, you know, timber board is not the typical thing you use to make a countertop by any means, but we think it looks quite nice and it's cheap, and yeah, it was only like £27 I think, so it saved us a lot of money and a lot of weight, you know, getting a heavy countertop. It doesn't look, you know, absolutely brilliant, like like a nice polished oak one would or something like that. But yeah, we are going to polish it, and I think it will do absolutely perfectly fine. There will be a part 2 of this video, because this is just part 1. We need to obviously put the sides on, the cupboards, and varnish it down and everything like that. What do you think of our little splashboard we made? That was just, we've got some spare tiles, why don't we use them there? And I think it turned out really, really nice. It's probably one of the nicest jobs we've done on the van so far. Let me know what you think. Yeah, give us a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.